Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you about how you can mattify your regular lipstick in very simple ways. If you're interested, so keep on watching. Right now I'm using Sephora's red color lipstick. It's really beautiful color, but it's transfer proof. I'm taking baby powder in a container. Take a tissue paper like this and put it onto your lips. Now pat the powder onto your lips with the help of a brush. You can also use only powder too. Now apply second layer of lipstick to make it more long lasting. Now we'll apply baby powder for the last time. It looks really mattified and become really transfer proof, as you can see. This is one of my favorite brown color lipstick, but it's also really transfer proof. In this method I'm using LA Girl Pro loose powder and a kabuki brush. Take very less amount of a loose powder and pat it onto your lips. Now it's really mattifying and less transfer proof. This is last but very effective method. I'm spraying some setting spray onto a kabuki brush. Again I'm using loose powder and putting onto my lips. Now I'm applying second coat. Second coat will help the lipstick to long last. It is really mattifying now and really less transfer proof, as you can see. If you like this video, so please subscribe to my channel, hit like and share.